Sometimes things just don't go as planned. Ask Vinko Bogataj. Competing in a ski jumping event in 1980, he misjudged the landing and crashed spectacularly. The footage became so iconic, it was featured for years in the opening montage of ABC Wild World of Sports as the agony of defeat. But here's the funny part. Vinko didn't let the crash define him. He became a fan favorite, a symbol of resilience. And later, he laughed along with his newfound fame. See, sometimes the most memorable moments are the ones that don't go quite according to plan. So what's your favorite agony of defeat moment? Share it below, and let's celebrate those who dare to try. And yes, keep on pushing.